Hi guys, welcome to the next video. This is the NoGARAGE. My name is Art. It's finally sunny in Alberta, in Calgary, and we are going to do some service with Sonata. So we are here at the parking lot. Since I don't have a garage, a driveway, I don't have anything but this parking lot. So everything is good with Sonata. I have just one problem. The smell that they feel from the air conditioner is terrible. So I think the cabin filter needs to be replaced. That's what I'm going to do today. A PM that used to operate and manage the team now needs to get his hands dirty. So let's see how to change that. First of all, we need to find where it is. So I did some research and I know now that it should be somewhere here in the gloves box. Yeah guys, I already cleaned it up because it was messy here, as always, So first of all, we need to I guess we need to release the gloves box itself somehow like that, and it should be something here, but I don't see anything. Okay, and sorry for the noise. If you hear some wind, it's my air conditioner blowing because Hyundai decided that it's too wet and in the vehicle, and it just wants to do some fresh air, like to create fresh air. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I don't think that it's right to do, but yeah. Okay. Something close. Oh. Okay. Interesting. Okay, we see Caddy here. Hope it's not Volkswagen Caddy. Okay, so the filter itself should be somewhere there. Let me just show you a little bit closer where it is. So the filter should be here. So I just need to, okay, I just open that. It's already dusty. Okay, and we have some pillar here. So I think if you're just tired to do this work, you can just rest here. It's nice touch, by the way. I think it's just for the noise isolation. Great. Okay, I see the filter over there. So it's simple to find that, to find him and to find it, and yeah. So okay, I just need to remember how it should be there. So we have I see some brands here like Hyundai, Kia, it should be Genesis, I guess, something else, and the air should flow to the bottom. Okay, how to look it up. And well, I can say that it's dirty as hell, but it's pretty not healthy, I guess. So let's see if I got the correct one. So what I got? What have I bought? Clean unpacking. Okay. Well, basically the same. Okay, same filter. Everything is the same. Part number is the same. It's mosquitoes here. Okay. So the part number is 97133 -L1000. Sorry guys, mosquitoes, they just went crazy. So I need to do the work much faster. Okay, so let me just unplug that. Nice and clean. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, I'm not great in that, I guess. Okay, it's not damaged. Maybe a little bit, but it's fine, I guess. So I need to install that same direction and same position as I had the previous one. Okay, I guess that's it. There is some position here, and that's it. That is it. $50. I just found $50. Okay, then I guess I need just to do the same operation but backwards. Okay, I need to connect this. Okay. No. Oh, maybe that's why. Okay, that is it. Now I have the clean air in my car. Yeah, as you might hear, the air conditioner is blowing the clean air. Now I will be healthy and my family will be safe in this vehicle. Oh, you can't get me. You can't get me. I'm in a safe place with a clean air, so get out here.
From Gantt charts in the blue light's glare